with the beautiful spotted, silver spotted, I think it's called skipper. It's a skipper butterfly on my butterfly bush. First butterfly to hit my butterfly bush this year that I've seen. Pretty lavender, purplish color. I've seen some real deep purple butterfly bushes. This one's beautiful. Along with the skipper, he's really pretty. I love this one. Blowing in the wind. Blowing in the wind, as Bob Dylan would sing. He's having a feast. Looks pretty with the daisies, the spot on his wing. I love insects. They're so cool. The way they painted by Mother Nature. Mother Nature's art. All of it, actually. Thank you, Mother Nature. Peace and be wild.